Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be walking through how to remove Google account from all devices. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Gmail and then click here and go to manage your Google account, and now click on security and scroll down and you will find your device section. Click on manage devices and here you will find all the devices you sign in into your Google account. To remove any account, simply click this three dot icon and click on sign out, and the same way you can sign out from your all devices. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.